Now blow it.
Yeah.
And bring your face to the bowl. You pay more.
Not bad, huh? I learned last night. All right. Happy birthday. Bake up, bake up. Hey, what's your baby, eh? What's your baby? Yeah, it's on. No. You're far away. You're far away. Hey, bro. All right. Whoa. Oh.
It's hot, okay? It's hot.
That wasn't part of it?
I think so, no?
I guess not. Hey, stop skimming the soup. Get off the floor. No more soup. Let me get a noodle. Wait.
Did you record that, Mama? Ah, here we go. How old are we today? Ooh. Is that a no subject? Hello, baby. Oh no. I learned from Mr. Harvey last night.
You learned that? How did you learn? Where you learned that
Easy. Are we okay with butter? Yeah. Fire it up. Bubbly butterfly. Heck yeah! When you a bad person, you get chopped too. Okay, who's getting right? That would be birthday girl, yeah? Birthday girl, and then you guys, yeah? All right, man. Are you ready, man? How about a little bit more butter, yeah? Is that cool?
Yeah.
You like flavor.
I got content.
All right.
I'm so happy I made it.
All right, man. Be careful, yeah? How about a little bit? Yes, ma'am. Okay, next. Young man. Oh, young girl. Oh, sorry, my bad. You're a girl, right? Oh, you're a guy? Oh, you're beautiful, man. There you go.
It's the
There you
hair.
go.
It's the hair.
How about? Oh, that's how you do, huh?
Oh, I made a mess.
Young man, did you get your mama something? Is that your mama or your aunt? Huh? Mommy? Did you get her something? No? It's her birthday.
Give mommy a present for her birthday?
Oh, I didn't got it.
What? That is job? Oh, man. Kids
What's
nowadays.
your favorite?
Ole! Yeah. I think that baby mad at me, huh? Baby girl? Yeah, fire. Without any warning, huh? Just boom. Yes, sir. Okay, kids. Baba, you ready? Alright, let me have your plate, sir. Man, be careful, Hack. Let's be careful, okay? Alright, Baba. You ready? You ready? Alright.
Yummy.
And then... Señor, por favor, señorita. Ah. That's right, señorita. All this for mama,
Yeah.
for your birthday. Mm. I know. All right. How do you want your steak, man? How about okay, señorita, how do you want your steak? Medium well, everybody. Yeah, medium well. Medium, that's good. All right, and then filet mignon. Medium rare. Hey, hallelujah! What about you, ma'am? You got chicken, yeah? You want your chicken medium? Oh? You don't like it juicy? No, no chicken, eh? Ah, yeah. Hi, Baba. We're gonna sing for your mama. This is that we know mushroom, yeah. All right. Here we go, sir. You ready? You got to with your mouth, yeah? You ready?
Open up.
If you miss, she'll do 10 push-ups. You ready?
Open your mouth.
One.
Open your mouth. Gonna throw it in.
Come on, man. What about you, sir?
Open.
You got it. Yeah. You got it. All right, come on. You almost had it. All right, baby girl. You. All right. I'm gonna do fire again, okay? We're gonna sing. Hey.
Never open your mouth. Got it. Great. Look at that.
It is. Let's go sing together.
Where you going?
Yeah, how about that?
Look at my hair covered.
What is your name again? Key.
Yeah.
Alright. We died awake. Alright, everybody's looking for Key, yeah? 1, 2.
Woo!
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Key. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, that's all. God, look. See, mommy. See. Mm.
Yummy.
Miss Key, how many kids you have? Just two? Ah, good for you. But you need a girl, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What I say.
That's what you say. That's what she say. Medium rare. Medium rare, mommy. Yes, sir, yes, sir. You know what they say? If you want a baby girl, you need to eat more veggies. So good luck. Right, mama? What about you? Are you the aunt? Oh, I see. How old did you say you were? Oh, how old your dad?
Keep looking like grandma.
Yeah.
Grandma look young. Looking good.
Young. Grandma's young.
All right. All right. Medium moon. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. You ready, sir? Medium rare. Nice. And the shrimpy. Oh, the man who pays the bill. The man who spent all the money. Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay, guys. Alright, mommy's gonna buy you a gloves, boxing gloves, huh? For two of you. Come on. No school today? You go to school? Yeah. You like it? Why you like being in school? Oh, I know. You have a girlfriend, huh?
And what?
I know, you know. Oh, what's her name?
Don't worry, Mommy will give you my
Boy. Huh? Oh, thank you, sir. You are so nice.
I know.
Okay, ribeye. Medium well done. That's your steak. This is ribeye. I'm not gonna throw away the fat. That's the flavor. But chicken has to be fully cooked. Yeah, unless you want diarrhea.
Oh my God.
You want diarrhea? Sounds sexy, right? What's your name? Diarrhea. Ay, ay, ay.
No, I'm finished.
All right, senor.
I'm gonna film live here.
Yes. Senor, you ready? Be careful, hand, okay? Grasa. Beautiful grasa. Mommy, you want some butter on your rice?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Let me know if you need more, okay? Let me just melt it.
Perfect.
How about that, Mama?
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I'm for my chicken well done. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
That one piece you took
Almost there. Now that's the fat. Okay. Medium well. New York. Black Angus. Alright, sir. You go ahead, guys. See if you like it, okay? But that's medium well. Be careful, huh? Oh, damn. He's strong. Good. Alright. Alright, be careful, sir. How about a little bit more? Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Señorita, medium well. This is ribeye. Nice. Poquito más. Poquito más. Alright. Coming soon, Mama. Keep on.
It's good.
Okay, beef jerky. I mean, what do you call it? Careful, yeah? Yes, ma'am. Careful, man. Maybe you want to chill a little bit with the little man. Right, little man? One moment. One moment, young man. This has to be fully cooked, right? Right. Yes, sir.
Pork.
You're right. You're right, young man. Yeah. What's it going to say? There you go, man.
Yeah.
What's that? Oh, you don't do that. The sister? Oh. Yeah, don't date your sister, okay? That's the only what people do. I'm just kidding. Woo! Alright. Okay, kick on. Okay, who's ready? Señorita. And then, oh, what? How do you call her? Grandma or Gigi? Or Mima?
Gotta keep it longer.
Longer, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give it to the kids.
Yeah.
You ready, kids? All right, come on. It's fully cooked, all right? Come on, Bubba. Be careful, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ooh. Oh my God. Hell yeah. All right, Grandma. Let's burn it.
Yeah.
Burn it. Okay.
You don't want any pork.
Hello. You okay now, ma'am? Yeah. Okay. Okay, you guys want this? Huh? You guys want this?
Hello.
You want vegetable? The kids? Yeah, they're good for you. Yeah. If you want to grow stronger.
Yes, and healthy.
Yeah. Grandma?
Broccoli.
Come on, Grandma. Be careful, okay?
Thank you.
Hold on, ma'am.
Oh, boy. Good.
Hold on.
Oh,
Good
thank
job.
you.
Yes.
Delicious.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Orale.
Yes, look at this.
Come on, sir. Senor,
I like the broccoli.
you like broccoli? That's good.
And the carrot.
And señorita? All right. Okay, come on, sir. It's got broccoli, carrot, onion. They're good for you. They help you cook, right? All right. What about the other one, young man? Okay. How about you, Mama?
No mushroom.
Okay. We're gonna cook it longer for you. Okay, birthday girl. No mushroom. Be careful, man. Oh, sir, take it there. Take it there. You're welcome, man. Maybe a little bit more, sir. Okay. Sir, todo bien right there? Good? Yeah? All right. All right, Grandma.
There's no mushroom?
Hmm?
Mushroom, no.
No mushroom?
Okay.
It's okay. Mushroom good, Grandma. What do you mean? Oh.
Not good.
I'm gonna give it to you. All right, sir. You like mushroom, right?
I know.
I like the
You like mushroom? Oh, you, mom.
Oh,
Sorry.
thank
Wait,
you.
Wait, mommy. It's got mushroom everywhere.
I'll pick it out. Thank you.
No big deal.
Alright, thank you.
Hold on, mama.
More?
Yeah, heck yeah. All right, good. Okay, who wants the rest? Anybody care? You guys, sir? Good job, sir. Oh, look behind you. That's amazing. I know.
that's a cat.
Okay, Miss Key, happy birthday, okay? Todo bien? Alright, you guys enjoy. Arigato.
Thank you.
Yes, arigato gozaimasu. Young man, how's your steak, sir? Good? How's your mom's steak? Is that your mom or your sister? Never mind. Everybody's quiet. She's way too young to be your mama. Wow. Grandma good?
Good.
Alright. Oh yeah. Okay guys, have a good night, okay? Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you. No, not the salad. Thank you. Yeah.